Rising high in the Italian Alps, a hidden fortress tells tales of battle, intrigue, and resilience. Welcome to Fenestrelle Fort, Europe's largest alpine stronghold and Italy's very own Great Wall. The fortress we see today traces its origins to 1709, when the Duchy of Savoy defeated the French at nearby Fort Mouton. With Turin under constant threat, the House of Savoy built Fenestrelle between 1728 and 1850. Under the watchful eye of military architect Ignazio Bertola, this fortress became an impenetrable barrier guarding Turin from invaders along the Cisone Valley. Fenestrelle Fortress isn't just a fort, it's an architectural marvel. Imagine a 3-kilometer wall, an indoor staircase with nearly 4,000 steps, and an additional outdoor staircase with 2,500 steps. Built to withstand siege and invasion, this was a place where function met formidable beauty. Beyond its military role, Fenestrelle was a place of confinement. During the Napoleonic era, it held prominent prisoners, such as philosopher Joseph de Maistre and Archbishop Luigi Fransoni. Even more intriguing is the tale of Pierre Picot, a prisoner said to have inspired the character of Edmond Dantès in the Count of Monte Cristo. After the unification of Italy, the fortress became a prison for soldiers, political enemies, and dissenters. By the late 19th century, it was nearly abandoned, left to decay after World War II. But in 1990, a team of dedicated volunteers began restoration efforts, reviving Fenestrelle as the proud symbol of Turin's history. Today, Fenestrelle Fortress stands as a testament to Italy's rich heritage. From its immense walls to the stories of those who passed through it, Fenestrelle invites you to step back in time and explore a piece of history few have seen. So, will you take the journey? Thank you for exploring Fenestrelle Fortress with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Would you brave the 4,000 steps to see this fortress for yourself?